Arrive in style with this 2009 Ford Mustang. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include power lumbar driver seat, beverage holder, cruise control, side and back door beams, power outlet, intermittent wipers, and airbag deactivation. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.